Hello everyone, another my TV show about science. We will be speaking about time, my new theory of time. What will be difference? Well, you probably know it's third of my lectures about time. What will be difference between this one and that two, which was before? So. Actually, now I think I understand fully how time works in the universe, and I'm sure this is how it works, and I prove it to you. That's actually a huge discovery, which you will understand once you see all the shows. So okay, just watch. So now what I understand, what personal time. So that's time what we understanding, like what time is now, what day is now, you know, Monday, Tuesday. It has no meaning, it's illusion. We are created with this time. It's, you know, like we would say like 3 o'clock here, but in Ireland, but what time now in USA, in which part USA, and what time now in universe, what this time has meaning in the universe. It has no meaning at all. That's our creation, and we believe in that. That's why it's illusion. It's like economics. It's like economics, you know, like once you believe in a dollar, once you believe in euro or pound sterling, it has value. But if you don't believe in that, let's say you have 100 bucks. Yeah, you have 100 bucks, and just imagine if nobody believe in that value. So what will mean that 100 bucks? At first, it's no longer 100 bucks. That's paper with, you know, signs on it. So that's how it works. Once people believe in something, it start having value for these people. And problem with this time, how science goes so wrong. We started believing that it does has value. In the universe, time not run like that. It's no like 15 hours in the universe. It has totally no meaning. So that's where Einstein was wrong. Well, he explained very well, you know, all these things, how our illusionary clock working, you know, but so people now explaining how economics works, but does economics exist? No, that's total illusion. That's total illusion. Would you believe like $1 million and blah blah blah? It's for us is easy to use, which actually I don't like it. I don't like dollars. I don't like pound sterlings. I think that's all stuff. All science fiction writers, all philosophers, all science agree with me, you know. But this show is not about bucks or not about economics. So okay, see if Einstein just go to Stone Age, yeah, and he tried to explain how time works. People at that time would say, you're stupid. For them, it will have no meaning whatever he do, you know. So in here on Earth, it only has meaning if someone believes in it. Let's say you ask girl out and say we're gonna meet at 5 o'clock in some place, let's say some bar or something. So it only has meaning if she believes in this clock. If she don't believes, for her 5 o'clock it has totally no meaning. So you probably will stuck in that pub all day long and nobody will come in to you. So that's why this clock is easy to use, and that's why it's total illusion. So now I will explain you how universe, how time works in universe. I hope you watch my first 2 shows. Second show I think was good, but only one thing I changed my mind. But personal clock. That clock what explained Einstein is not exist as illusions. So so how time works in universe? How time works in universe? First I have to explain what is time now. If we would take this clock, yeah, and we set it, let's say I could just take batteries out, and once I put it back in, it will show, it will start time, so it will be 0, 0, 0. And we could put this clock, let's say, not this clock, but just clock which works very perfectly well. So somewhere in the universe there is no speed, no gravity. It's zero gravity, zero speed. And it will show exactly time now for everything in the universe. It will be time now for you, for someone in the other end of the universe, for everyone. It doesn't matter gravity, it doesn't matter speed. Now I'll explain you in words what I mean. Yeah, and you can make this clock. Science could make this clock for us. I think that will be done in the near future anyway. So I'll explain to you how we could make that for personal use, like for everyone. This clock, it has to, let's say, if you're moving, it has to work a little bit faster, and if you near some big gravity points, any gravity, as more gravity as it is, it has to move quicker. So more gravity, quicker, more speed, quicker. Actually, on the Earth we already have gravity, we already have speed, so it will move quicker than our set clock. But you know, our lifetime, if you live 80 years, it don't gonna change even 10th of the second, so it will have no much, you know, like difference. So this clock what Einstein used for a explanation, it's easy to use, but it's completely wrong. It's just illusional. So now how works that time in the universe? It works this way. Once you meet someone, once you do anything, like you take this candle, you know, doesn't matter. It has to be now. So you speak with someone, you do anything, and this time now it's exactly could be counted as way as I say. Let's say someone flies here from other end of the universe. Once you speak with him, it has to be time now, and all the time he flies, it's time now for everyone, now let's say I make experiment, I make mind experiment. Let's say I want to reach age with my son. Let's say I just fly almost speed of light, and my personal time will be illusional time, will be fly very slow, but my son's time will be working normal. So is that meaning what time now is still will be working for us like same? Yeah, exactly. See what will happen. Let's say we both have time now watches, yeah? So once I speed up, like, and my time, this clock will work 10 times faster, as I say. But it doesn't mean what this time works 10 times faster. Because if I could see my son's clock, if I could see that, his watch will show exactly the same thing. His watch will work 10 times faster as well. And anywhere in the universe, doesn't matter what, doesn't matter where, if I see these watches, all will be working 10 times faster. Even someone flying faster than me, his watch will work 10 times faster. So what happened? Everything in the universe going on by set rules. Yeah, and if everything in the universe going on by set rules, everything. So what just happening It's just happening what is set by rules. If you fly very high speed, your aging will be slower. If you are near big gravity points, your aging will be slower. But it has nothing to do with time. It has nothing to do with time. And that's where we all was wrong. Like scientists who today looking for personal time everywhere, I mean we expecting to find like clocks in every single place, you know, and somehow gravity and speed could change with clocks ticking, you know, so it's completely wrong. Science go wrong in here. It don't work this way. It don't work this way because clock, time, what we understand is illusion. It has no meaning. Everything works by rules and everything ticking by time now. If there would be no gravity, no speed, and this time now same for everyone, doesn't matter what you do, doesn't matter where you are. So this is the end. This is the end. I explain you. I hope you understand it. Well, if you don't understand it, just write reply. I hope you do, because I think that's best explanation what we have about time, how time works, and I think that should be only one explanation. Because I'm pretty sure this is how time works in the universe. Okay, so if you want to know more about science, subscribe my channel, watch my other show. I will make more shows in the future about speed of light, about black holes, many interesting things. Okay, thank you for watching. I see you on next shows. Bye bye now.
Well, if you like my philosophy, you may very much like my book. I am scientist fiction writer. My name is Martynas Domeika. Book I write is Sole Mia. I write in Lithuanian language, but my book is translated to English, and you can find that in Amazon.com. So Martynas Domeika, Sole Mia. By buying my book, you will help me as well translate my other books to English. This costs a lot. And thank you very much if you do. Thank you, and bye bye.